There's my catbird singing. He just had some raisins. Now he's probably singing for a mate. Oh, it's so good to have him back. And of all days on May Day, sweet cat. I woke up and opened the curtain this morning and he flew right at me. 5 years. This is his 5th year coming back to me. Migrating back. Thank you, Mother Nature. Oh, it's so beautiful. Maybe he'll come for a visit, though he was just here. I love their song, Catbirds. While I'm at it, I love this tree. This is the dogwood trees finally blooming. Starting to pop. Beautiful. Peace.